Alright guys, another early morning trip down to the river to catch some trout, and this time I'm taking the kayak. I got her loaded up and hopefully not too foggy, but should be a good time though. But now I got to make the hour trip down to the river, so here we go. Oh, I need a truck. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Should be a good time. All right. Beautiful morning. Now let's see if I can go get some trout. Some cold water. It's only about 6 foot deep right here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and try some PowerBait today. I never fish with PowerBait, but I'm going to give it a whirl here. Apparently that's the hot bite. And now we wait. Might have a trout on here in a second. Lots of nibbles. There we go. Now it's going. Wonder what we got here. Yeah, looks like a trout. This is my first trout in a kayak. It's pretty fun. Wow. And that one is a nice size too. Nice. Get my net. And then get the stringer ready. Come here, bud. Got him. Beautiful fish, man. Beautiful trout. Alright, well, tough bite, but I still managed to get one. Also had a screaming run and a couple bites here and there. Just wasn't able to get anything else. It's getting later in the morning, so I think I'm going to call it. Soon they're going to start releasing from the dam, so I got to get out of here anyway. So thanks for watching, guys. And like and subscribe and all that, and thanks for watching.